How's it going, BG fam? It's me, the Bizarro of Bizarro Gaming, bringing you the content you've been asking for. Welcome to this historical moment that will one day be compared to the birth of Liam Neeson, the debut episode of Bizarro Gaming. Originally, this was going to be a top 10, but due to time constraints, that episode will be next week. Instead, it'll be the debut episode of Unbox'd. So kick back, put your phone in the holster, crack open a bottle of Yoo-Hoo, and enjoy the debut episode of Unbox'd.
She looked at me, and this is what she said. She said, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. No, I can't slow down, I can't hold back. Though you know, I wish I could. But there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good. Not even 15 minutes later, I'm still walking down the street. I see a shadow of a man creep out of sight, and it came up from behind me, pulled a gun up to my head, and it was clear he wasn't looking for a fight. He said, now give me all you got, I want your money, not your lap, but if you try to make a move, I won't think twice. Said, you can have my cash, but you know I gotta ask, what makes you wanna live this kind of life? He said, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. And no, I can't slow down, I can't hold back. Though you know, I wish I could. But there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good. Coming to an end, and I turned on my TV and then I flipped it to the news, and what I saw I almost couldn't comprehend. I saw a preacher man in cuffs, he'd been stealing from the church. He stuffed his bank accounts with righteous dollar bills. But you know I can't say much because I know we're all the same. We all seek to satisfy those thrills, and there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. And no, I can't slow down, I can't hold back. Though you know, I wish I could. But there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good. I said there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. And no, I can't slow down, I can't hold back. Though you know, I wish I could. But there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good.
What an episode of Unbox'd. That totally wasn't filmed 2 months ago. Despite the lack of sound and poor video, I hope you all enjoyed it. The next video in that series, which will be better, will be next month. Next week, we'll actually start a new series, the top 10, like I said earlier, and that'll be crowning the GOAT of gaming consoles. So what type of items would you like to see unboxed on the channel? Let me know down in the comments below. This is the Bizarro of Bizarro Gaming. Until next time.